Guys, I don't have that mode. I don't know how to use that recording mode, screen recording mode for so what you can get a clear views of those charts. But listen guys, there is this model, this current model, especially the Euro USD model, the chart, the forex model, the forex chart. It's giving me a very good model, and I really want to share to you guys so that coming next week don't miss any trade. I'm going to illustrate some of the few basic things which we normally use as ICT students, because we don't really need to know a lot of things so that you can trade. We can use some of the smallest illustrations so that you can get a model that can fit most of us guys, and that is using of fair value gaps and use of those PD arrays that like sweep of liquidities, breaker blocks, order blocks. Okay, so we had this sweep of this high, the date which we had that sweep, it was in the month of June. Let me confirm. In the month in the month of July, 1st of July, we swept this liquidity, and we have been on a downtrend. You can see this one is a fair, this one we have a fair value gap which was respected, and we have been going on a downtrend, and these will be our sell stops, which likely will be will attract price to these levels, these sell stops. So on a weekly time frame, okay, my computer is kind of slow. You can see this fair value gap which was inversed so many times, and it created an inversion fair value gap. You see this this candle completely closing this gap, and market did not, you see, it did not close above the mid threshold gap, the mid threshold value of this fair value gap. The body was below the 50% of this fair value gap, and from there we can see the price has been going down this week. So when we go to a smaller time frame, you can see a fair value gap was created in the daily time frame. This is a fair value gap which has been created in the lower time frame, the daily time frame. You can see this one, balance BPR, a balance price reach, has been created here, plus a fair value gap which has been respected. Coming next week, what I will really want to know, what I will really want to know from the price action, so that we do not, you know, you can decide and enter at this point and sell at this point, but price will continue going up. You don't know why, but maybe it was respecting this gap and this order block, so price will continue going up. But you can wait on Monday, so that on Monday you will have okay, let me be specific. Below. On Monday we can wait for price to come. Wait for price. Most likely this was the order block which was respected, the 4-hour order block, and you can see we are having some bullish momentum movement on a 4-hour order block. You'll just have to wait for a gap. You'll have to wait for a gap. This one is most likely the order block, the 4 hours order block. So wait for a fair value gap to form in the 4-hour time frame, so that you can enter with that fair value gap. You can enter with that fair value gap going down. If that fair value gap is not created, so most likely we will be continuing with the higher prices. But if a CB is created by Monday or Tuesday, you should enter that CB on a 4-hour time frame, nailing down to these levels here. This one level, this one I think it is around 1.13924 level. So guys, just wait. I think you should be more patient like this. Just be patient, don't be in a rush. Ask me. I've been to this road before. You can see some relative equal lows here, so these can be our sell side, minor sell sides, and this one will be our major sell side liquidity. Okay, minor sell side liquidity and major sell side liquidity. So just wait for a CB to be formed at this point on a Euro USD, so that you can enter that CB. Don't trade at this. Last week people traded at this point. They saw this sweep on this candle and they decided to go short at this level. They were taken out by this bullish momentum, bullish gap. I think this, which it was going to this order block, this 4-hour order block. So just wait for our CB to form in the 4-hour order block so that you can go short. Okay.